In this video, we're going to take a look at where you can use CFP, or the 360 Payments Consumer Financing Platform, from within 360 Hub. Note that this is primarily an integrated product, so you'll want to use this from within your shop management system, DVI tool, or other integrated software most of the time. There are, however, at least two scenarios where you might want to access CFP through 360 Hub. The first is to cover you in an emergency where, for whatever reason, you've lost access to your software and need to process a financing transaction. In this case, you'll want to make sure that you're using the account search to make sure that you find any existing applications for that customer. Simply follow the prompts after clicking account search, and this will behave similar to your software. The second scenario is in case you want to use a specific financial institution for a transaction and your software setup is only giving you a higher priority option. For example, if you normally process with WiseTac and offer EasyPay upon a decline, you might want to go directly to EasyPay for whatever reason. You can do that, or otherwise go directly to any other financing company you're set up with by clicking on a link for that partner. You can, of course, also check your CFP transactions in your transaction history, and if you want to view all previous applications, including ones that were declined or expired, you can click on Previous Applications. And that's how you use CFP from within your 360 Hub.